The Motorola MOTOTRBO R2 two-way radio is the newest and best communication solution for the toughest of environments. With 4 to 5 watts of power and a battery life of up to 26.5 digital hours, this handheld will absolutely allow your communications to last. Also, an IP55 rating ensures that the R2 can withstand dust particles, as well as low-pressure water jets from any direction. While this radio is extremely durable, it is also designed with a slim, ergonomic body for easier handling. Users within industries such as security, concert venues and events, construction, and more can take advantage of noise cancellation features, including automatic feedback suppression and noise cancellation, paired with the emergency capabilities such as lone worker and emergency alert. The MOTOTRBO R2 was designed to create a safer and more collaborative work environment for teams. With this handheld, however, it is important to create a hands-free environment in order to allow for hands-on tasks to be accomplished. This is why users typically purchase compatible accessories with their radios. Some of these accessories include the 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece. This 2-wire earpiece is a more discreet accessory which is popular for security. When you may want communications to appear less visible, simply connect the accessory to your radio, which is connected to your hip via belt clip. Then, lace the wire through your shirt and clip it to your collar. Wrap the clear coil around your ear and insert the memory foam ear tip into the ear canal. These 2-wire earpieces are not only easy to clean, but the memory foam ear tips are also interchangeable, which allows the 2 wires to be shared among team members while still remaining sanitary. D-shell earpiece. The D-shell earpiece is a great option for those working in construction or more rugged environments. This durable option wraps around the ear to secure for more movement and shifting. Remote speaker microphones. Remote speaker mics allow for quick, clear communication without the need of an earpiece. Warehouses often utilize these as it provides a means for quick relay of messages among the team. With simply the click of a button, one can transmit their audio and move on with their tasks. Radio chargers. The single-unit charger. Single-unit chargers are a must for those possessing a 2-way radio. This is how your handheld is able to charge and get ready for the day of work ahead. These single-unit chargers are great for individual use. However, if you're working with a team of 2-way radio users, a multi-unit charger will probably be a better option. 6-shot slim charger. The 6-shot slim is a great option for those with teams of up to 6 people. This multi-unit charger ensures that all radios can be charged at once and accounted for. The 12-bank charger. When working with larger fleets of handhelds, the 12-bank charger is going to be your best option. Multiple single-unit chargers take up multiple outlet spaces, while the 6-shot slim and the 12-bank require only one outlet to charge many radios at once. This is the most effective charging option for teams of 2-way radios. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are one of the most important 2-way radio accessories. Simply having some on hand at all times can save your communications by allowing for consistent transmission when your current batteries are running low. For more information on how to properly outfit your new Motorola MOTOTRBO R2 2-way radio system, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote online, and we will get back with you.